Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at that famous American classic, She'll Be Coming Round the Mountain When She Comes, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. But in this tutorial, we won't be using bends. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 6. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 7 4 times. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. Blow into 5. Blow into 6. And blow into 7 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 7. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 8 4 times. Blow into 9. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. And breathe in through 8 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 9 twice. Blow into 8 4 times. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 7 twice. Breathe in through 6 4 times. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7. And breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 6 4 times. Blow into 8. Breathe in through 8. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 7. And blow into 7 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then you can check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.